He's a renegade race car sushi delivery driver facing his greatest challenge yet.
Hello?
Delivery's up, son. If you're late this time, you will end up living with your mama.
But Pa, Mom's dead!
Exactly.
Don't use that ingredient.
I need to find a way into the big race this Saturday. 5 trillion yen. I'm only doing this for one reason. To prove Da wrong. And I can win back the love of my life, sandy beaches. And I can finally defeat my arch nemesis, Red Diesel. And I can finally find that missing dog, Draco. And Gran, I'm finally gonna be able to get you that life-altering augmentation surgery you so desperately deserve. Oh shit!
Sonic boom! Perfect!
Nice. Sushi's up. Speedy McSpeedson.
That's right, it's me. But what you don't know is, I'm you from the future.
Huh?
And all of this could be yours, but only if you bought that ticket.
So you're telling me that if I buy a ticket for the R34 Skyline on LuckyDayCompetitions.com for $297, I'll become the next big race champion.